Where it seems chocolate goodness just sprinkling, it's falling from the heaven tables. Cake! Heath Bars! This is the better than anything cake. Okay, homeboy. Now, let's watch this. We got our Betty Crocker here. Chocolate fudge. Do it works, guys. Do it works. Okay? Betty Crocker, why you had to make this that tight? Huh? It's not about me, it's about you. These inescapable packages you're using here, Betty. Let's go eggs first, because eggs are cool. We can just hit, drop in, oh Lord. Now you come behind with some oil. And then some water. Suppose the bowl just shot into. Still use it, okay? Now I give them a little pan here. A nice little spray. Now watch this, homeboy, watch this. Oh, snapperella. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Good to go. Oven time. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, homeboy, okay, check this out. Look at this. We need to poke some holes in this, right? To allow goodness to seep in. So let's 1, 2, 3. Nice. This right here, sweetened condensed milk. This is the good stuff. And guys, what you can do is you can come over and just let this drain everywhere, 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 everywhere. Get it in the holes. Now you come behind that right here with your caramel flavored topping, okay? Let's see, can this roll out? Oh yes, this one thick though. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. Oh Lord, oh Lord, she thick. I'll be honest with you, I show up at a party and I see this. I ain't it, okay? Because I can't, what the hell is that? This thing got holes in it. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Now let's let this bad boy cool down. Look who's cooled down. Naughty boy here. You notice everything's stuck in these little holes. Now you come behind this Cool Whip, okay? And now I can just go back and forth. Ooh, look at this. Just rubber back and forth and spread out. Beautiful. Now, homeboy, this right here, this is Heath English chocolate candy. Here's what I can do. I'm gonna break this up in the pot. Where it seems chocolate goodness just sprinkling, it's falling from the heaven tables. So now I can put this in the fridge for about 2 hours and just let it set, you know what I mean? Woo! Perfect. Dun, 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 dun. The better than anything cake, homeboy. They say dictators love this cake, okay? It's really big with dictators. Okay, now I'm gonna cut a little square. Can I poke it with this? Can I poke it like, is this thing here? Okay. What would Gordon Ramsay do? I don't know. Okay. Sorry, Gordon. Just trying to see what you do. Okay. See that little poke? Homeboy. Perfecto. And there you have it. The better than anything cake, homeboy. Woo! Okay. Let me go in. You know your boy's a connoisseur. My taste buds are world renowned. Oh boy. There's probably enough calories for a lifetime, but guess what? It is delicious, okay? And it's dumb. It's dumb, but delicious. Homeboy, stay delicious. Oh my God. This tastes like a loving family. You ever had a loving family? Just embrace you. You know what I mean? I was always hoping Bill Gates would adopt me. This is what that tastes like. A Bill Gates adoption. Anyway, as always, never mind. Stay delicious.